What if a robot could cook your dinner, fold your laundry, or even take over your job? Tesla says its humanoid robot, Optimus, is the future of everyday labor. But is this the dawn of a robotic revolution? Or just another tech dream that's too good to be true? Unveiled by Elon Musk in 2021, Tesla Optimus, sometimes called the Tesla Bot, is designed as a general-purpose humanoid robot. Its mission is simple but bold: to take on the kinds of tasks humans find boring, repetitive, or dangerous. Musk imagines a world where millions of these robots work in factories, assist in homes, and maybe even reshape the global workforce. Standing at human height and weight, Optimus is meant to move like us, act like us, and eventually think like us. At its core, Optimus is powered by Tesla's experience in artificial intelligence. The same software that allows Tesla cars to navigate streets is being adapted to let a robot navigate the real world. Cameras for vision, neural networks for decision-making, and actuators to mimic human joints. Together, they form the backbone of Optimus. Elon Musk has called it a Tesla car with legs. That means it's designed to learn not just from programming, but from observing and copying human behavior. So far, Tesla has showcased Optimus walking, moving its arms, and even handling small objects. It's far from flawless, sometimes clunky, sometimes slow, but it shows progress. Early prototypes were little more than stiff machines guided by human operators. Now, Optimus can perform tasks like sorting objects on a table or imitating human movements from video recordings. Critics argue Tesla still has years to go before the robot can work safely in the real world. But Musk insists mass production could begin within this decade. Building a humanoid robot isn't just about mechanics. It's about balance, durability, safety, and cost. Robots like Boston Dynamics' Atlas have shown acrobatics, but they remain too expensive for everyday use. Tesla faces the same hurdles: how to build millions of units cheaply, keep them safe around people, and make sure they don't fail at the simplest of tasks. On top of that, there are concerns about jobs. What happens if robots replace human workers on a massive scale? If Tesla succeeds, Optimus could become one of the most transformative technologies in history. Imagine factories run by fleets of tireless robots, or households where chores are no longer a burden. But success isn't guaranteed. Timelines could slip, expectations could outrun reality, and society may not be ready for millions of humanoid machines walking among us. The truth is, Optimus represents both an extraordinary promise and a daunting challenge. So, is Tesla Optimus the future? Or just hype? The answer may lie in the years ahead. What's clear is that Optimus forces us to imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just inside our phones or cars, but standing beside us, sharing our spaces, and maybe even reshaping our lives. For better or worse, the age of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction. It has already begun.